All right, Music Guy saying, have the Taliban made a statement about this drone strike? I do not know. I haven't seen it. But I would guess yes. Wait, no, they did. They did make. I have seen their statement when they thought it was. They also thought it was ISIL-K, and I remember their initial response was that they were pissed that this attack happened without them knowing and without their approval, given that they were the government now, and this was past the time that U.S. has said that they're not going to have. They're going to not going to be operating in Afghanistan. And the Taliban like, hello, why are you taking out targets? I mean, even if you want to take out targets, you need to talk to us first. We're the government now. So that was their response. I don't know if they had any response ever since the investigation, and the information coming out that this was not ISIL-K and this was 3 innocent men and 7 obviously innocent children. 2 things I want to highlight. First of all, this is why you need mainstream media, okay? It was mainstream media, all this, the media that all these YouTubers keep crapping on and like, oh, don't trust mainstream media bad, trust us YouTube streamers who do nothing but sit down and like me and do commentary on stuff that mainstream media actually goes in the fields and collects for us. The thing that we rely on to do commentary on, like they keep attacking mainstream media, even though their entire jobs, their entire commentary depends on what mainstream media goes at and do the work. Like, do you have journalists that are risking their lives and like in Syria and Iraq and just like running around trying to gather news like Mr. YouTube streamer? You don't? Then maybe be a little bit more appreciative of mainstream media. And again, it was 3 different mainstream media. I think one of them was, no, I forgot which ones they were, but some of the biggest names that we know that went there and did the actual investigation. I think one of them was New York Times. Yes. I think the other one was Washington Post. I'm not sure. It was 3 of them. And they went and they went and put the pressure on the Biden administration, and they went on the ground and investigated and had their people go check and figure out what was happening. Guys, if the mainstream media didn't went and investigate this, the Biden administration was under no, they had no intention to go and be like, oh, yeah, oopsie, we did an oopsie. Or like, oh, we went and double checked and apparently we were wrong. It was only after the media that everybody keeps dismissing as an important part of democracy and holding governments accountable. After they went and the military officials didn't initiate an investigation after the attack. It was mainstream media. So maybe like if you see okay, and another thing, that yes, the mainstream media often has bad reports, often has misrepresentations, but all these social media activists, they have it more. The level of, yes, mainstream media, we have a lot of examples of mainstream media getting things wrong. But there's more accountability on mainstream media when they get things wrong than your average YouTube streamer. So don't trust them when they say that you should dismiss everything on mainstream media. Be skeptical, be critical, check multiple sources. If they don't have their sources, be a little bit more skeptical about what they're reporting, withhold judgment, all of that. But don't be like, oh, it's mainstream media. They're obviously lying to you. They're intentionally lying to you. That's conspiracy level bull crap. Anyways. All right, let's do this. Okay, thanks for clarifying. No worries. Oh, another thing I want to highlight. Wait. Let's go back. Guys. No, never mind. That's going to screw me up if I talk about that. Wait, let me just say it, okay? Imagine, guys, the drone strike initiated a fire that made the flames go wider because of the fuel in the car or whatever than a drone strike would do by itself, right? So I just want you to imagine that these children, 7 children, were roasted alive. These it's possible that these were not quick deaths. I just hear them screaming, you know? And I just then imagine how many more times this is happening, just like it's just happening. And we just don't hear the rest of it.
Hey guys, if you're a fan of Blasphemy and Sexy Callie, like me, then you need to be sure to subscribe to our newsletter, link in the description below. Because if you subscribe, we will send you a free copy of our Blasphemous Art ebook. And let me tell you, it is the tastiest blasphemy that you can find anywhere available today. And we are so generous with our blasphemy that we continue to send you more blasphemy every week. So make sure to subscribe, link in the description below.